Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we had discussed about discrete series, calculating mean by three methods, that is direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. In today's video, we are going to discuss about continuous series. Now, there is very little difference in continuous series and discrete series. We follow the same methods, but the most important point which we have to keep in mind is in continuous series we have to arrive at midpoint of class intervals. In the case of continuous series, items are classified into different class intervals. Class intervals can be exclusive, inclusive or unequal in size. Example of exclusive series is 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on. Example of inclusive series is 0 to 9, 10 to 19 and so on. And example of unequal series is 0 to 20, 20 to 50 and so on. Now today we are also going to solve the problems and formulas in the continuous series. Now we are going to solve one problem of continuous series by direct method. That's very simple. It's same as we had done in the discrete series. Only here we have to find the mid value. The example is the marks of a class students is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 60, 50 to 60. Number of students of 0 to 10 is 8, 10 to 20 is 12, 20 to 30 is 20, 30 to 40 is 10, 40 to 50 is 6, 50 to 60 is 4. Now we make the table in this way. Now I'll show you how we have taken out the mid value. Now mid value, the formula for mid value is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Here the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 10. So 0 plus 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So mid value is 5. Again 10 to 20 will be 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15 and so on. So this is the mid value we get 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. As you already know, the formula for the direct method is sigma fm upon sigma f. So mean is equal to putting the values on the putting the values we get sigma fm is equal to 1560. We have added up all the fm. Now how did we get fm? We got fm by frequency multiplying by mid value, we got fm. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, 12 multiplied by 15 is 180, 20 multiplied by 25 is 500 and so on. So we add up all the values of fm, we got 1560. So by putting the values on the formula, fm is equal to 1560 and f is equal to 60. So the answer we get, mean is equal to 26. Now we will do shortcut method, a problem with shortcut method. Now we will solve the problem by shortcut method. We have taken the same figures and there is just a little change here. We have to derive D. The D is mid value minus assumed mean. Here assumed mean I have taken as 35. You can take any, but we have taken 35 as assumed mean. So D is mid value minus A. A is your assume mean, that is 35. So 5 minus mid value is 5. 5 minus 35 is equal to minus 30, and so on. So you get this D. Over here, I hope you have understood how you derive D over here. That is mid value minus assume mean. And now FM. F is 8 and mid value is 30. So you multiply 8 by minus 30, you get minus 240, and similarly you get again minus 240, minus 200, 0, plus 60, plus 80. When we total all this, we get minus 440, and F we get, when we total frequency, we get as 60. Now D, I have just told you how we derived that D, that is mid value minus assume mean. And now the formula is A, which stands for assume mean, plus sigma FD upon sigma F. So mean is equal to, putting the values, we get 35, assume mean is 35 here, plus FD is minus 440 and F is 60. We get 9 here. 35 minus 9 is equal to 26. So the mean is 26. Now we will do the third method, that is step deviation method. We have taken the same figures. Over here we have to take out, we have already taken out the mid value D. Now we have to take out D dash. Now D dash we take out, as we get over here, D dash we get is D upon 10. So D over here is minus 30 upon 10 is equal to minus 3. And so on, we have taken out minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. And then we take out FM, frequency and mid value. We multiply frequency A with minus 3, we get minus 24, and so on. 12 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 24, and so on we get minus 20, 0, plus 6, plus 8. So sigma FD is equal to minus 54, sigma F is equal to 60. Now as I told you, here FM is equal to minus 24. How we got minus 24? I have just explained to you just now. Now we apply the formula of step deviation, that is x bar is equal to A plus sigma FD dash upon sigma F into C, common factor. C is common factor. Here the common factor is take 10. Now we put values. X bar is equal to, assumed value is 35 plus sigma FD dash is minus 54, sigma F is 60 into common factor 10. We solve it, we get minus 9, 35 minus 9 is equal to 26. Now we have done continuous series by the three methods. Thank you friends for watching the video. Have a good day.